Sellfy Digital Products tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload and sell digital products on Sellfy. The first thing you want to do is create an account on Sellfy. You can do this for totally free by going onto sellfy.com and tapping on Start Free Trial. After entering your email address, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can fill in your name and you can also add in the store link that you would want. Then you're going to tap on next. Then what do you want to sell? And we're going to be selecting digital downloads or stream, and we can also select digital subscription. You can also see that you can sell physical products and print on demand products using Sellfy. Then you're going to tap on next once more, and from here you can select a category. So let's say for example arts and craft, and we'll tap on next. Then you can enter in your socials, so you could add in your TikTok or Instagram or your YouTube. Then you'll tap on done. Once you're finished doing that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can tap on add my product. Then you're going to select digital product, and from here you'll be able to upload your product file. So you can see add product file, so you'll tap on select from upload. Then after doing that, we could upload it. So let's tap on browse on your computer, better yet. And I'm just going to be uploading a random file. So let's say for example I were to upload this PDF. After adding the PDF, so this is what they'll receive once they have completed their purchase. You can put in the product name, so I'll just call it test. Then you can scroll down and you can add in product description right there. So you could add in a product description real quick describing your product. Then you can choose the product category. So let's say for example I'll say the product category is ebook, so I'll type in ebook right here. After doing that, I'll just select that, then tap on save. Then you can upload the ebook cover, so you can tap on add image. Then you could add the ebook cover for example sake. So let's say I were to use a random thumbnail, let's say this one. After doing that, you'll scroll down and you'll set the price that you would like to sell it for. So if I would like to sell it for $10, I can leave it as is. After doing that, I'll leave the stock as unlimited since it is a digital product. If it were a physical product, you could put in the amount that you have and also add variants and so on. Once you're finished doing all of this, you can scroll down, and from here if you would like to add a social sharing image, you can do that. You can also edit the meta description and the title tag. And then all you need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on save product. After you have selected save product, you can tap on view in store and you'll be able to view your product and you can see it right there. Now we're going to go back onto our dashboard. Once on our dashboard, we're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from here I want you to tap on store settings. After selecting store settings, you can tap on customize my store, and then from here you can edit how your store appears. So you can go over to the left hand column and you can see this is the home page, and you can edit a few things about it. For example, you can edit the navigation. You can see the navigation right there. You could add a module by tapping on add module. You could, for example, add a newsletter form if you want, or you could add a product grid if you want, or contact form. So let's say for example we would like to add a newsletter form. We could do that. So we could tap on add new form and you can see that it has been added right there, and you could edit it if you want from the left hand column. Once you're finished doing that, you can go back, and if it is a case that you would like to edit any of the other pages, you can do that. You can edit the product page by selecting product page, and you can also add different elements by tapping on add module. You can see the different options that you can quickly add, and you can do this to all of the pages. You could edit the checkout page also if you want. Once everything is to your liking, all you need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner for it to go live. Once everything is up and running, you can simply tap on exit. Then after you have exited, you can tap on view my store, and you'll be able to view the changes as you can see right there. Then we'll go back to our dashboard real quick. So we'll tap on dashboard in the top right hand corner. After selecting dashboard, you'll select payment settings. And from here, you'll be able to connect the different payment methods. So you can connect Stripe and you can also connect your PayPal account. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.